Hey, thanks for stopping by. This video is from my dash cam from my recent trip out west to Colorado and Utah. I created a playlist of the videos from this trip, so you make sure to check that out if you haven't already. In the description below is also a link to the highlight video I made of this upcoming trip, so you can check that out to see what's coming in the future videos. But in this video, we will continue driving through the central part of Iowa. Along the way, we will pass around the state capital of Des Moines. Some fun facts will pop up throughout the whole video, maybe a trivia question too, and of course, the beautiful rolling farmlands of Iowa. You can easily support me in this channel by just clicking the subscribe button and that like button as well. Be sure to leave a comment if you have a fun trivia question of Colorado or Utah or another state, a suggestion for a video, or maybe what national park you've been to. But for now, I'm going to keep driving westward on Interstate 80 through beautiful Iowa. Well, I hope you're enjoying my drive west on Interstate 80 through Iowa. But right now, I would like to take a second and let you know that you can answer this trivia question above as a comment to this video below, and I'll try to favorite each comment containing a correct answer. While I also got you here, I would like to thank all the loyal viewers I have, and I appreciate every view I get and the comments I get, good or bad. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and I would hope this is something you would regularly enjoy watching, and if so, please hit that subscribe button to help support me and grow this channel. I have some big plans for you viewers and this channel, and I do hope you all enjoy the hard work I put into each video. But for now, I'm going to let you go back to enjoying this drive through Iowa.